Here are the new goodies. These just get better and better. Plus, I got a whole bunch more new crystals. This was the first time using those. This one is a little cube. This has Kambaba jasper and smoky quartz in it. I also got some new metals. So I've got titanium and some new brass, cool brass also. And this has the titanium, aluminum, and brass in it also. And I got Larimar. If you know, you know. This octopus is Larimar. Yeah. And then this cube, some turquoise, and this is real turquoise. This is not dyed howlite. This is turquoise and lots of Herkimer diamonds in here, but the Hercs are so clear, they are just showing as invisible. You can see little tiny flashes of them in there, but they're almost totally invisible because of how clear they are. So all the spaces in between the turquoise, those are Herkimer diamonds. And also a layer of labradorite. This one also has the new titanium and brass, and you can kind of see the little brass spirals in there, and aluminum, of course. And this dragon is iolite and fire quartz. I love how this turned out. That seemed like kind of a funky color combination, but it worked. Yeah, iolite and fire quartz. And here is, I got some muakkite jasper. So that's my first time using the muakkite, but man, the colors are beautiful with the golds and yellows and pinks and red. So this is rose quartz, muakkite jasper, and again, you can really see all that new brass, a little curly brass in there. And this also has some titanium and aluminum. And then this big one, my new favorite, totally favorite. I got kyanite and ruby. That is real ruby chips in here, and there's a bunch of them. And then rose quartz, and this is like, I got some new color changing resin dyes. I don't know if you can kind of tell that one layer there. It kind of does a color flash thing. And then the bottom, this has little clear quartz wands and the indigo steel. So that's the new ones, playing with all my new bunches of crystals I got.